Some of you will have noticed that the Enhanced CPP reference tool operates as a slide rule. In this video, I'm going to compare the reference tool with traditional slide rule terminology. Some of you may be asking, what is a slide rule? This is a slide rule. It's a human-powered, hand-operated mechanical calculator consisting of slidable rulers for doing all kinds of math. Before the days of mobile phones, electronic calculators, and even computers that were small enough to fit on a desk, slide rules were used by scientists and engineers to do calculations for things like putting man on the moon. If you don't believe me, just ask someone who's receiving CPP right now. I'm sure they can tell you all about them. So just to have a little nostalgic fun, here's how the Enhanced CPP reference tool compares with a traditional slide rule. On a traditional slide rule, the frame, or base, is two pieces that are fixed together with a gap in between the two pieces. The slide, or slider, is the part in between the frame. All over both the frame and the slider are scales with graduated markings. Each scale represents some kind of mathematical operation, such as logarithms, squares, reciprocals, or even trigonometric functions. There's also a cursor, which is sometimes called a runner or glass. A user can line up the scales and the cursor in a sequence, solve equations or procedures, and ultimately read off the answer that they need. Now switching to the Enhanced Canada Pension Plan reference tool. The fixed timeline and the surrounding information is the frame. The age scale is the slider. And the 40-year scale is the runner. In a future version of the reference tool, I will be adding a way to display important numbers directly so that you don't have to read the scales as much. This should make the Enhanced CPP reference tool easier to use. I hope you had a little fun with that. Take care.